Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.